need to tell you that I must change. I wanna bring this rain, wanna save this world from this pain. Just know that I've typed its name in my book. I won't take one look. I'm gonna rise to the top so I can change within me. No, I want to be the best I can be. That's when you'll see I won't let it go. I won't stop till there's no life in me. Gotta take it back, gotta see the change, gotta be the change. Gotta go out and change the world as I change inside of me. Just know that's how it's gonna be. I was told never give up, that's what my soul told me. And I'm gonna mold myself back into the man I wanna see. When I look into that mirror on the wall, am I gonna fall? Am I gonna rise above it all? I don't know, Toto, what am I to do? I just wanna see it through. Show you that I can change and help you change if you won't. Just come to me and let me save you. Let me make you. Let me show you how to break through. I need you. You need me. We must stand up. Let's go get it rushed. Never give up, I won't stop, just know I'm coming, gonna be at the top. Gonna take that spot till I know we can stop all this discrimination in this nation. Just know, if you see me, you know I'll be there, holding my flag, holding my hand in the air. Don't shoot, I'm here to support you. Come back, come see what we go through. I must change, must rearrange these feelings, these emotions in this ocean. Understand, I can't quit. Understand, I won't stop. I got this shit, I got it right, and I know I'll take you through the night. Never see me stopping. I want to be topping. Wanna help you, wanna show you that you can shine through. Just show you that you are light, you are pure, and you need to hold the light through this night. No, we're gonna ride till this dawn. Let's move on. Come on. It's time we stop. Why? Look where we're going. We've got to change. Change inside of you. Be the change we need to see.